How does ChatGPT automate code review fixes? Imagine having a smart assistant that can look at your code, spot problems, and suggest fixes in real time. That's what ChatGPT can do when it comes to reviewing code. It's like having a second pair of eyes that never get tired. ChatGPT works by analyzing the code you submit to it. It looks for common bugs, errors in logic, performance issues, security risks, and whether the code follows best practices. It uses pattern recognition, meaning it compares your code to many examples it has learned from to find issues. It also understands the context of the code, so it can tell if something doesn't fit or could be improved. When you give ChatGPT your code, it reads through it line by line. It checks if the code is efficient, secure, and easy to understand. For example, it might notice if you have a loop that can be simplified or if you forgot to handle errors. It can also identify security vulnerabilities, like in safe data handling or weak encryption. After analyzing, ChatGPT provides detailed feedback. It points out problems and suggests specific changes to fix them. To automate this process, developers usually pick a powerful ChatGPT model, like GPT-4, which has strong understanding of programming languages. They prepare clear prompts that tell ChatGPT what to look for, such as bugs, security issues, or code readability. They also include relevant details like the programming language, frameworks used, and project rules. Developers often send code in small chunks, especially for large projects, so ChatGPT can focus on each part without missing anything. They also use an iterative process. Review the code, apply the suggested fixes, then resubmit the updated code for another review. This cycle helps catch more issues and improves the code step by step. Many teams integrate ChatGPT into their automated workflows. For example, they set it up in continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines, or in tools like GitHub Actions. This way, whenever a developer submits a pull request or merge request, ChatGPT automatically reviews the code and leaves comments or suggestions right in the code repository. This automation speeds up the review process significantly. It helps catch mistakes early, reduces manual effort, and keeps the code consistent. Developers can then focus on more complex design decisions, knowing that routine checks and fixes are handled by ChatGPT. When using ChatGPT for code review fixes, it's important to keep the code secure. Developers often remove sensitive information before submitting code and use secure connections and API keys. This ensures that confidential data stays protected. In summary, ChatGPT automates code review fixes by analyzing code for errors, security issues, and inefficiencies. It then suggests precise improvements, making the review process faster and more reliable. When integrated into workflows with clear instructions and iterative feedback, it becomes a powerful tool to help you learn to code and produce high-quality software with the help of AI technology.